Hi everyone, this week we've got a couple oddball 80s and 90s supercars. These are Vectors. Vector was kind of an American small little boutique supercar manufacturer, kind of like before, guys like Tesla went out and made their own cars. Vector did not make many cars. He was very much inspired by aerospace. His first car in the early 90s was called the W8. Now this one here, this is old school. I've had this for a long time. This is by a company called Ricko, which didn't make that many diecast cars. Now the W8 had a twin turbo small block, I think over 600 horsepower. It was a bored out Chevy 350, similar to the V8 used in the Corvette of the day. But it also had a 3-speed automatic, which was kind of terrible. This is not carpeted. This does have access to the engine, if I can open it. So there's the twin turbo V8. I don't even know that they made 20 of these cars in real life. They just did not make many. Gullwing style doors. There is a little bit of carpeting in there. I've had this in my collection probably at least 15 to 20 years. You have drop down headlights, which are kind of interesting. There's a little switch underneath right there. Kind of a neat car. No one else makes this, so this company Ricko is your only way of getting a Vector W8 scale model. Again, kind of neat. And then contrasting that, in the mid-90s we have, this is a new release by BOS. This, of course, is resin. No opening parts. Done to a very nice high standard. The windows are a little bit better than the typical BOS, largely because of how flat they are. So that's nice. Now this was called the M12 because this was a 12-cylinder. They sourced the engine from the Lamborghini Diablo at the time. The wheels are pretty well done. 3 spokes. You have a photo-etched gas cap cover, gas lid. And I think that's photo etched. Can't quite make out. No, that's not quite photo etched. But detail's pretty good overall. Again, no one else is going to make this in diecast or resin. This is such a specific boutique supercar. It was definitely very much a limited edition. This car is number 103 of only 204 made. I couldn't be too picky about price. This retails for $129 on American Excellence. They had it on sale around Christmas for $97. So if I waited too long, this would have been sold out. Pretty happy with it. It would be nice if things opened and was made of diecast like the W8, but that's just not going to happen. So tune in next week. Let's see. I think I can come up with a couple more pairs. Pairs seem to be popular. I've had no complaints about 2 cars versus 1. So tune in, like, and subscribe. Oh, real quick, so no one complains, the packaging of the BOS car is not different than any other BOS car I have. It has a regular styrofoam box. Every once in a while someone complains that these aren't real unboxing videos, but if you want real unboxing videos, there's plenty of those on YouTube. I think a lot of people don't need to watch me open up a box, so I just show the packaging, and if that's something that really bothers you, I don't know what to tell you. So have a good one. See you next week.